Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. But if this isn't your first time, I hope that you like me enough to... I really don't remember my introduction, but the point is, I'm glad that you're here. I am so flustered because today is a very special day. It is a Saturday, and I am with my hubba bubba. And look who is here at the back. It's Cody and his Tom Tom. We are currently on our way to the vet because these little boys, why are we bringing them to the vet? They're shots? Oh, they're gonna get injection. Cody, do you know where we're going? Cody. Cody. Psst. Cody dong. You know where you're going? So we're on our way to the vet to bring the dogs in for their inspections, and then it is also a very, very special day because I am meeting I don't like to call her a fan or a follower, my new friend Shay. So excuse the clickbaity title because I do say that I am surprising a fan, but honestly I don't prefer to call them fans. I like to call my friends friends because she is my friend on Facebook and on YouTube, on Twitter, and on Instagram, and I know that she is a big supporter of the shows and all the content that I put out. And this week actually this happened because she tweeted obviously on Twitter that she was gonna work really hard so that she could meet me one day, and I was at home in bed. I was like, what is she talking about? You don't have to work hard. All you have to do literally is message me, and if I have the time then I will meet you. And Shay is very special to me because actually I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right, but Shay or Shay, let's call her Shay. She's very special to me because she always does message me and we always do communicate, especially when I had the time to reply. And so I figured that, girl, if you wanted to meet me, all you had to do was ask. And so today is the day we're meeting Shay, and I'm so excited. We are gonna go to Robinson Cybergate. She agreed to meet me there, and then we're gonna have coffee and we're gonna hang out, and I'm so excited. Are you gonna meet Shay, sweetheart? No. He's shy. No, Paulo's actually not gonna be there because he has to take care of the dogs, but he's dropping me off, or I agreed to go to Cybergate because I get to watch over the puppies and I get a free ride there. You sir. So, hala, nag-eyeliner ko. Oh, okay. I'm so nervous. So yeah, that's it. I'll take you guys on this journey and I'll see you guys later. Yay! Okay, so we're currently at San Serval and I'm waiting for Shay to arrive, but the dogs are here. So we just took them to the vet and now we're just waiting for food. But Shay's on her way, so we're not gonna eat here. We're going somewhere else. Okay, guys, so I finally met her. Here she is. Hi, meet Shay. Shay? Shay.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Nakakita na siguro na mo sa vlog ni Jomi, no?
Oh, yes.
So, sikat na sa din siya, guys. Actually, ako ang naki-meet up niya. So we're here at Abaca and then we're just waiting for food to arrive. Gwapa kayo eh.
Abaca, that's sponsor.
Na kay boyfriend? Ayaw sa pag-boyfriend ha. Okay, first year college, right? At pwede na lang, eh.
Ang dyan ka ng NBS with
NBS, chika hata na. So we just came from our date. And then, wala namin nag-video because nalingaw namin chika. But we're gonna go head out home and then I'm gonna get ready for my party. Lingaw kay bisa mo chika, pero dili na mo siya i-vlog. They secret din siya.
Controversial.
Controversial kay siya nga chika. Talk to you guys later. Good morning, everyone. It is a Saturday and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Issaplease. And today I woke up a little bit earlier because I promised my hubba that I was gonna make him linat ang family. Now I'm not a chef. I purely depend on Panlasang Pinoy, but I wanted to just make this little vlog of showing you guys me cooking. So let's go. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare it, what I do, and everything in between. And yeah, let's get this cooking show started. Woo, 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 woo. I am not a morning person. I don't know where I got the energy for this intro, honestly. I'm gonna show you guys how I cook. So the first thing that I do is take out the screenshots. So while I'm doing the groceries, I'll have like 2 or 3 specific menus that I want to cook. Tapos, I'll buy all the ingredients in advance and then I'll take screenshots of them. I have all the ingredients. This bowl is actually for the trash. So I just put all the peelings and whatever of these stuff here and then I'll throw it out later. I won't explain the recipe to you guys now because it'll sound like I know what I'm doing. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm an idiot who knows how to read and follow instructions. The recipe is going to be down below. I just wanted to show you guys that I can actually follow instructions. So, yeah. I've chopped everything that needs to be chopped, diced everything that needs to be diced, and now I'm about to cook. And here it is. This is my cooking station. This is like, I like to dice there so that I can see what these buttheads are doing. And I'm closer to the fridge, and this is like my kitchen setup. It's dirty. There, that's where we keep all those herbs and spices and whatever, and then there. And this is where I cook. And someone actually asked me to do a review of the Immerflex counter convection cooker. Someone asked me to do it like a really long time ago, like the moment I got it, and then I said that I would, but then I realized hindi ako marunong mag-review ng cooking stuff, so I was like, you know what, it cooks, it doesn't need to do, it is alright. Doesn't need to do, so I guess it's alright. So yeah, now what I'm gonna cook now. So I did the first parts of it already. I added everything, followed the instructions, and I just put it inside. It's just there. And the next instructions are to leave it for like 60 minutes. So ngayon, yung gagawin natin is we're gonna just put everything back. Usually our agreement is if you cook, you don't have to do the dishes, but then I hate leaving everything like messy. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleanup so that it's easier for whoever's washing the dishes to wash the dishes. Trash. Hey guys, so I'm back after like an hour or so, and this is what we have accomplished so far. Let me show you. First of all, ang laki ng changes, no? I realized by using this, it was so wrong. It's super kulang. So I transferred it to this pot, and then there it is, guys. I really have to timpla it. So this is what it looks like right now. I don't know, the soup's pretty good though. I want the meat to be like super soft. So I'm just gonna cover it up. And then now we have the rice that's cooking. So that's all being done on its own. And then in the hour that I was cooking, I was actually working, but I won't show you that. It's a lot of things that's involved with Issaplease and by Hannah. So yeah, now we're gonna go set the table. Set up nito, guys. So guys, if you're wondering why I decided to cook this special meal today, that is because I realized that I only really cook breakfast or brunch, and all the meals that I cook are super unhealthy. I really want my haba to lose weight and be healthy, so I gotta cook healthier food. And if the meat comes with vegetables and he eats it, then that's progress. So let's eat. Yeah, I like the soup though, but then I'm just not confident.
Any ginger?
Wala.
Ano saan siya?
Ninagang baboy.
Nilaga?
Nilaga.
Ginger.
The recipe didn't say to put ginger. I should have put ginger, no? I forgot.
Actually, di mo ka mag-go wrong. Tangan mo gamay ginger ang sabaw.
I just don't enjoy chopping ginger. It's hard.
Hindi mo i-chop. Nipis ka.
But it has the skin on it, though. I should have put garlic bitaw na. Ay, ginger. I really forgot. Ay na lang sa ninyo kan na. Palikaon ani. So that helps, right? the fish sauce helps it like make up for the lack of ginger.
Dili. Lahat ako bisa sa bawang sauce ko basta sa ako.
Yummy? You're not just saying it.
Okay.
Ako ba naggitimplahan gihapon ha? Like I added another pork cube. Because it wasn't so flavorful and I wanted there to be lots of sabaw. Right? Does that make sense?
Kailangan kag naagi flavor yun.
Ano?
Ginger yun.
Lagi mo dito, I was like, it's lacking something.
Ginger may makapa oishi. Paap.
Sige, so approve ka sweetheart. Lami ra. Lami ra or lami kaayo?
Lamit pa ay.
Lami kaayo.
It's a try.
Ano yung pinaka-kuha na mga paborito?
Ano yung pinakalamit yun? Kaya?
Tarungan ninyo tubag kay basta hindi na tamulutuan ba?
Pagay ko ka.
Malata ng baboy, no? Could be softer. Okay guys, so that was it. That was basically the video. I made linagang baboy or linatang baboy, whatever you guys want to call it. And it was a success. So now it's a Saturday. I'm just gonna go shower, I might film a mukbang or I might edit. Depends on what I feel like doing today. Might just edit. I don't feel like doing my makeup. We'll see. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.